So cutting thin strips or any ripping really on a bandsaw requires the feed rollers to be canted. So here I'm mounting a subfence that gives room for the feed rollers to tuck in behind the auxiliary fence so that the thin strips will still have the feed rollers bearing on top of them. The mount just mounts with two threaded knobs, and the feeder body goes into the extrusion arms. Everything gets set in place. This is being shown at about 2.5 times real time. So it actually takes about 2 minutes to mount. So you have to decide whether it's going to be worth it. And now I'm going to move off to real time as I mount the drill and cut a few strips. The drill. The switch. Check my height. Set my fence width. Mentioned that you need to clamp the back of the fence down because there's a lot of pressure to lift. So this is a setup I've never seen anybody else use. I know there are times when it would have saved me a lot of time, and it's something I'll be using in the future.